Hi there, students. A garment, a countable noun. Okay, so a garment is a piece of clothing. It's something you wear. So a t-shirt, a garment. A coat, a garment. A pair of trousers, a garment. So have you noticed in English the word clothes? Clothes are always plural, and there is no singular of the word clothes. Yeah, it's always a plural form. And one way round this problem, to make it singular, a garment or an article of clothing. Okay, so a garment. Yeah, a garment is something that you wear. Yeah, a piece of clothing. He's always very concerned about how his garments look. Okay, so a garment, a piece of clothing. Yeah, you need to wear a waterproof garment. Yeah, a waterproof article of clothing. Okay, so a garment. Yeah. Particularly this word is used in when you're talking about the manufacture or the sale of clothes. So for example, the garment has a tag at the back. So yes, a garment factory, a garment maker, the garment industry, garment production. The production of clothes. Or in a shop you might find a garment rack where the items of clothing or the garments are hung. Okay, so a garment, something that you wear. Okay, so garments. This is your singular of an item of clothing. Okay, so yes, a garment, something to wear. Yeah, a get-up, an outfit, your threads, your duds, your appareil, your attire. Yeah, your clobber, your vestments. Okay, or even your habiliment. That's quite a good one. So garments that have a fancy label, a fancy name on the label, normally sell for high prices. Okay, so a garment. This shop only sells ladies' garments. Yeah, clothes for ladies. Okay, so a garment, garments, clothing, things that you wear. I think this word garment is probably a little bit formal. I think, as I said before, I would use this particularly when talking about the clothing industry. Yeah, so all of his garments have his name sewn on them, so he's not going to lose them. Yeah, so garments, any article of clothing, dresses, suits, things like that. Okay, your attire, what you're wearing. Yes, the garment industry nowadays seems to be mostly located in Asia. So, formality. I'm going to give this 6.5 in formality. No, I'm going to give it 6. I think you could use it informally if you want to talk about a single one, but it's probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then, as to origin, this word comes from the French verb garnir, to garnish, to adorn, to make stronger, with a similar meaning to garnish. Okay, so to make more attractive. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Garnish. I mean garment.